Ordering at a cafe.
Good morning. Table for one?
Yes, please. Do you have a table outside?
Sure, follow me. Here is the menu.
Thank you. What do you recommend?
Our cappuccino is very popular.
Okay, I'll have a cappuccino and a croissant, please.
Is that for here or to go?
For here, please.
Coming right up.
Meeting someone new.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Have a seat.
Thanks. Are you from around here?
No, I'm on vacation. I'm from London. And you?
I live here. Welcome to our city. Do you like it so far?
Yes, the architecture is beautiful.
If you need any tips on where to visit, just ask.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, sir. I'm looking for the train station.
Oh, you're quite close. Just go straight for 2 blocks.
Straight for 2 blocks, then what?
Turn left at the pharmacy. You will see a big park. The station is right behind it.
Is it far to walk?
No, only about 10 minutes.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Buying lunch.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like a bottle of water, please. No gas. Still water.
Large or small?
Large, please. And do you have any sandwiches?
Yes, we have ham and cheese, chicken, or tuna.
I'll take the ham and cheese.
Anything else? Maybe a cookie?
No, that's all. How much is it?
That's $8.50, please.
The speaker 2 only restroom.
Hello. Could I use your restroom, please?
I'm sorry, the restroom is for customers only.
I understand. In that case, can I have an espresso, please?
Sure.
1 espresso. That will be $2. Here's my card.
Thank you. The restroom is at the back, to the right.
Thanks. I'll be right back for the coffee.
Making a doctor's appointment.
Hospital reception. How may I assist you?
Hello, I'd like to get a queue number for a checkup. I'm not feeling well.
What symptoms are you experiencing?
I have a sore throat and a fever.
We have an available slot tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. You can come at that time to see the doctor.
Yes, that time works for me.
Please bring your ID and insurance card when you arrive.
I will, thank you. See you tomorrow.
At the pharmacy.
Hello, how can I help?
I have a headache and a mild fever. Do you have anything for it?
I recommend paracetamol. It's very effective.
How often should I take it?
Take 1 tablet every 6 hours. Do not exceed 4 tablets a day.
Okay. Can I also get some cough drops?
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Grocery shopping.
Excuse me, do you carry gluten-free bread?
Yes, we do. It's in aisle 4 next to the organic products.
Thank you. I'm also looking for rice flour.
That's in the baking section, aisle 2.
Perfect. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Great. Thanks for your help.
At the cinema.
2 tickets for the 6 p.m. movie, please.
Do you have a student ID? You can get a discount.
Yes, here are our student cards.
Great. That will be $14. Would you like any snacks?
Yes, a large popcorn and 2 sodas, please.
Sweet or salty popcorn?
Salty, please.
Here are your tickets. Enjoy the movie.
New roommate. Welcome to the apartment. I'm glad you're here.
Thanks. It's a nice place. Do you work or study?
I'm an engineering student. I study a lot at home.
Cool. I work in marketing, so I'm out during the day.
Perfect. We should make a schedule for cleaning.
Good idea. Let's take turns every week.
Agreed. Also, do you want to share groceries?
Sure, let's split the basics like milk and eggs.
Sounds like a plan.